In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Zapier account. So if you want to automate tasks between apps, the first step is creating an account on Zapier. So here's how to do it step by step. First, open your browser and go to zapier.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button at the top right. Click on it. After that, you'll see different ways to create your account. So you can sign up using your email address, your Google account. Now choose the option you prefer. So I'm going to sign up with Google. So I'm going to click on it, choose your account, click on continue. Next, Zapier may send a verification email and open your inbox and just click the confirmation link and this activates your account. Now, after signing in, Zapier may ask a few quick questions like, what's your role? So choose from the options. Just click on it. What's your company size? And to personalize your experience, select apps relevant to your role or search all available apps. So just click on the app like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, Google Sheet, etc. and click on continue. And now you have fully active Zapier account ready to automate your workflows. So a quick tip, start with simple automations first, then move to more advanced workflows once you're comfortable. Thanks for watching.